The sixth topic is all about the Bronfenbrenner's ecological theory. Who is Bronfenbrenner and what is the bioecological systems theory? Sierra Bronfenbrenner, he was a Russian-born American psychologist who made significant contributions to the field ng child development. Napaka-famous siya, especially in developing the ecological system theory. Yung bioecological system theory, nagpresent siya ng child development within the context of relationship systems that comprise the child's environment. It also describes the multi-part layers of environment that has an effect on the development ng isang bata. So as you can see, under the microsystem is nandito yung work, yung friends, yung neighbors, yung family, and school. Doon naman sa mesosystem, ito naman ang mga nakaka-affect doon sa microsystem. Sa exosystem naman, ito yung tinatawag natin, under sa exosystem naman, yung tinatawag nating local governments, parents, friends, mass media, extended family. Sa macrosystem naman, it includes social norms, economic system, and the chronos system is time. So, ang microsystem is the layer na sobrang lapit or pinaka-nearest sa isang bata. It comprises structure which the child directly interacts with, or ito yung palaging nai-interact ng isang bata. It also have bidirectional influences and describe a situation where two entities affect each other in a two-way street. So the mesosystem, this layer serves as the connection between the structure of the child. So sa exosystem naman, it comprises yung mga external settings or yung environment that indirectly impact the individual's development. So yung setting na to does not necessarily involve the individual directly but can still affect their experiences and development. Yung exosystem na to, it refers to the external environments that indirectly influence the individual o yung isang bata, such as parents ng isang bata, workplace ng isang bata, or community resources. So the macro system, ito yung malaki na scope or it has broader cultural context in which yung isang bata, it includes yung mga societal values, yung cultural norms, yung beliefs, yung customs, yung historical events, and socio-economic factors. Ito yung mga bagay na nag-shape sa development ng isang bata. So sa chronos system naman, it covers time as it relates to a child's environment. Nakakaroon din to ng patterns of stability and change in the child's life. It considers the pace of the child's everyday life. So external influences like yung kapatid niya, siblings arrivals, or yung parental separation. Nag-a-affect din to sa isang bata. Pwede din to siya internal influences like bodily changes during development, and yung older children may react differently to environmental changes. So dito, nakikita natin na yung isang bata is nade-develop niya yung kanyang coping mechanisms over time.